no stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked.
So I got into my yell line, and I got this hat. That's the bag. This has been my go-to hat, you know, for my pink. Love it. I also got this bag. This is a cute pink bag. My straps ripped because I decided to fit everything I got from there into this bag, and I was struggling walking with it, so my straps broke. This Sally Beauty line. This is the bag. And let's talk about what I got from there. I went to the Hawaiian Silky line, and I got a fan because it was hot. It was blazing, so everybody got a fan. I got another fan from Palmer's. It's thick. So it was blazing. It was hot. Like, it was mad hot. Like, no, for real. Everybody was sweating. Everybody. Even if you had on shorts, sweating. Got this cup from Uber Soca Cruise. It's a cute pink cup. Got these Palmer's coconut oil hair and scalp oil. Again, full size. Got this The Do Mousse Step Texture Foam, and I can't wait to try this on my natural hair. Everybody says this is amazing, so can't wait to try it. Again, Hawaiian Silky, a water bottle. They had various different brands. They have the 14-in-1 Miracles brand. They have the Shine and Sleep brand. The Hydrate Curls brand. The Kids brand. You know you gotta do it for the kids. And you got the Wonder Girl brand. Get to growing for all our hair. And we got Protective Styles, the braids. Like, love it. We need all of that. All of that. So I love it. Got this Hawaiian Silky hair yogurt. All of this Hawaiian Silky came in this little bag. So that's what we got. This is the apple cider vinegar hair yogurt intensive treatment. Olive oil repair leave-in conditioner. The Blessed Men refreshing beard wash for your husband, brother, uncle, cousin, boyfriend, anybody. We got the 14-in-1 moisturizes, strengthens, defines, detangles, and so much more. It's a spray. We got the Wonder Grow hair oil. Promotes long, thick hair growth. It does a lot. You see? You got the Wonder Girl Biotin Styling Gel. Moisturizes and tames frizz. Alcohol free. Non-flaking. And maximum hold. Do you see that? All about hair growth. You wanna know what else we got? The Hawaiian Silky Triple Butter Mango Maru and Shea Butter. It's a shampoo. I think that's how you pronounce it. We got the Coconut Oil Curl Activator Moisturizer. We got the Triple Butter Mango Maru and Shea Butter Conditioner. We got, this is so cute, the Wonder Girl Jamaican Black Castor Oil Pretty Edges. It's a little edge control. Oh, is this black or purple? Can you tell? Maybe it's black. Smells good. And we got this African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water pre-shampoo. 2 pre-shampoos and for the aloe and coconut water, and for the honey and coconut oil We got shampoo and conditioner. So it's saying for wash, stay delight. This is step 1 for detangle. This is step 2 for cleanse, and this is step 3 for condition. So all 4 packets. This was from Sally Beauty. Oh, also for the gift bag, we got this Mayo comb. As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. It's a little spray. We got the coconut oil and deep conditioner for soap box. We got this Mayo Mango and Tulsi Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. We got the Mayo Mango and Tulsi 3-in-1 Hair Serum. We got this Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Shampoo and Conditioner. And we got the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Y'all know that those are the OG products we used to use. And also, we got another Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It's 3-Minute Miracle Moist. Did I say moist? Yes. We got the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Repair Leave-In. We got another Mango and Tulsi Nourishing Whipping Cream. Styles the Hair Bath and Cleanser with apple cider vinegar and aloe. Soaks away odor and buildup. Very protective styles. And this is another Soapbox Coconut Oil Deep Conditioner. That was all we got, which was a lot in my opinion. So I'm going to tell you, would I go back? What I didn't like? What I did like? Would I go back? Yes. Yes, I'll go back. I had fun. There's a lot of things I did like. Look, let's get into the things I didn't like at first. So what I didn't like was that, they would tell you don't bring certain stuff. Like, I'm gonna pull up the list. So they said don't bring drones, glass containers, outside food and beverage, pets, selfie sticks, tripods, skateboards, scooters, carts, tents, canopies, or shade structures of any kind, umbrellas, and all that other stuff. They said there was no parking over there, so they suggest you taking public transportation or taking like Uber or a taxi or something. When I got there, I got in the Uber. When I got there, why did I drive past a whole point, like a whole stack of parking spots? I was like, I know I did not just pay for this Uber. First of all, I paid to park my car somewhere else and then took an Uber over to Randall's Island because that's where it was. So I paid for parking for my car and then I paid for an Uber. I said I did not need to spend all that money if there was mad parking spots. And why I say don't park if there's parking there. And that was my first time at Randall's Island, so I didn't know. So I didn't like that. So that's number 1. Number 2, when I tell you it was blazing, it was blazing that day. It was hot. And no matter if you had on shorts, if you had on like no sleeve, everybody was sweating. It felt like it was like 105 degrees. It wasn't that. It made me like 90, 92. It was hot. So they said, you heard me say no shade structures, no nothing, no umbrellas, no carts, no nothing. Everybody had, not everybody, some people had umbrellas. And you know, when you go through security, you have to go through metal detectors and everything. They let people in umbrellas. They let people in with their carts. I'm like, you can't tell people don't bring umbrellas and then have people bring umbrellas. Like, what about everybody else? You can't have some people do things and some people not do things. If I could have brought an umbrella, knowing it's going to be that hot, I would have bought an umbrella. People had chairs. They said not to bring foldable chairs. People had chairs. If I knew I could have bought my chair, I would have bought my chair. Because there was barely any place to sit. The only place they had to sit was a little bit of spots in VIP, which was not enough because a lot of people had VIP. And they had a little spot where they had motivational speakers and stuff like that. If I would have known I would have bought my chair, because with the outfit I had on, I couldn't just sit in the grass. I'm gonna put a picture right here and show you the outfit I had on. I could not just sit in the grass with that outfit, because I would have had grass and dirt all over my pants, and I was not having it, and it was hot. So that's why I didn't like those, which is not much. But what I did like all the samples and everything. This was my first time at Curlfest. A couple of my friends came, my mom came with me. The ambiance, the togetherness, everything, the natural hair, I loved all of it. The outfits, oh my gosh, y'all know I'm a fashionista. I loved all of it. There were booths, you get your free samples. Yandy had her booth, you could talk to Yandy. Who else was Tamara Hall was there. A couple speakers were there. I didn't even know there were speakers here until after I left, because there was a small stage for them, and then the main stage, I was mainly near the main stage. It was really nice. They had Palmer's truck giving out free ice cream. I had got ice cream, and by the time it was almost done, it was hot. That's how hot it was. There were food booths where you get food and everything. They had your free coconut water. And every booth seemed to give out free samples. But there were other booths with vendors on a separate side where people were selling their things, clothes, beads, I believe some was hair products. It was not bad. They had not singers, but they had performances. They was playing music. It was really, really nice. I only stayed a couple hours because, again, I was very hot. I was burning up. The other thing was the lines were so long to get to the samples and everything. But again, it wasn't bad. I would go again. I enjoyed myself. Shout out to Curlfest. I loved it. But thanks for watching this video. I hope this helped you understand Curlfest and get a better understanding and see what we got. And I will see you Monday for the next video. Toodaloo.